Hello guys, today we are going to learn hemming stitch and blind stitch. Hemming stitch and blind stitch are done to the edges of the outfits. It is done to the edges. So for the hemming stitch we have to fold the edge. See, it is folded like this and it has to be pressed a little bit. You can press it with your hand itself. Then you have to hold it in your hand properly and little tightly so that the stitch can be done easily. In hemming stitch you have to take the matching thread. I had took a different thread or a contrast thread just to show you how the stitch has to be done. So we have to start the stitch from here, from the end, and leaving a centimeter distance. Again you have to pick hardly 2 threads of the base main cloth and have to pluck it on the upper cloth or the folded cloth. In this manner we have to do the hemming. This is how we do the hemming stitch, and hemming is done not only for the edges but it is used while doing jardosi or even while doing patchwork and all. Now we have to complete the work. We have to end with the hemming, so we have to just take another 2 threads from the down cloth or the main cloth and we have to do a knot as we do in the running stitch or other stitches. In stitch, the hemming which we have done, it looks like this from the back side and this way in the front side. These stitches are not visible when we do it with the matching thread. And now we are going to see the blind stitch. Blind stitch is same like hemming. We have to again double fold the cloth and take it pressed properly. Blind stitch is not visible from both the sides, nor from the front side nor from the back side. It is also called invisible stitch. So now we are going to start with the blind stitch. First of all, when we fold the cloth, we take it like this. So there are 2 folds. From these 2 folds we have to put in the needle from this like this, from this fold to this back side, so that the knot goes inside and it is invisible. Then we have to take hardly 2 threads from the main cloth and 2 threads from the main cloth. After this we have to put in the needle in this folded cloth and we have to push it in front and take it out after a centimeter. Then again from where the needle is out, that place we have to take hardly 2 threads and again we have to put in the needle on the folded cloth and push it in front after a centimeter, taking 2 threads from below . We are going to do this. We have to put in the needle along with the fold and take 2 threads from the main cloth and take the cloth out. Again the blind stitch has to be done with the matching cloth. It is done to hide the design. so it is highly invisible, so it is called blind or invisible stitch. In this manner we are going to do it till the end.
मम्मा मैं खेलने जाऊँ?
And this way we are completing the blind stitch in this cloth. Now in the blind stitch, either we have to put a knot inside it over here, on this fold, or we have to simply pull it to the back side, or if there is space in the front we can take it in the front, or we have to take it little back if there is no space in front, and pull the thread a little bit that there should be little